You promised it wasn't gonna snow today. Dear, look at your face, love. You're as red as a tomato. See, you should have listened when I told you to bring a little scarf this morning. You're so silly, you know that? You're like, yeah, I love you though. Oh wait, here. Let me just get this snow out of your hair. There you go, handsome. All good as you. Should we hold hands as we walk back? So, how was your day at work? Did anything interesting happen today? That's so great to hear. I'm so proud of you, love. I know you've been working super hard, and I'm happy to see that you're thriving out there. How is my day? You know how it is this time of year. I got a little work done. Wrapped up some presents, cleaned up the place a little, took the dog out for a walk at the park, and ran some other much needed errands. You always know to flatter me, dear. Yes, I did get my hair and nails done. Do you like it? I'm glad you like it. I think they did an amazing job. Also, thanks for letting me pick you up. The scenery is so lovely this time of year. And getting to walk home with you every single day is one of the highlights for me. I love our walks so much. The crisp, clean air, the sound of snow crunching underneath our feet, the nip of the cold, the trees. Everything is such a nice change of pace from what I'm used to. And, you know, as cliche as it sounds, there's no one that I'd rather be out here with than you. Thanks for doing this with me. I don't think you could get any redder than you already are. There's plenty more where that came from. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's hurry inside before we actually freeze to death. God. I didn't realize how cold it was out there. Feels nice to actually feel my face again. Alright, I'll get started making my signature hot cocoa. Oh, don't worry about your work clothes, dear. I'm gonna take them to the dry cleaners tomorrow. You're welcome. It's the least I can do since you agreed to walk with me. I know the salt and snow really does a number on the pants and jacket. Can you please start the fire as well? I'd love to enjoy this with the fireplace going. There. Here you go. 1 cup of extra special, extra hot, gourmet hot chocolate. By me. Special because it's made for you. Stop, I know it's cheesy. Oh, be careful, love. It's hot. There you go. How about we cuddle on the couch together a little? Come lie down with me. There you go. Can you hear that? Yeah, silly, it's beating fast because of you. Way to make a girl embarrassed. Hey, I I just want to remind you that I'm so grateful for you and all the work and effort that you put into not just you and yourself, but this relationship as well. I've never had that sort of thing before. I've never felt so supported, so incredibly loved. Thank you. I know I don't have to say it, but I want to anyway. I think that maybe in case you forget, I'll remind you every single day that I love you and that I appreciate every single thing that you do for us. Thank you, dear. Oh, are you done with your chocolate already? Okay. How about you close your eyes and let's take a little nap on the couch together. Oh no, you deserve the rest. Right. Good night, love. Sweet dreams.